Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a YouTube background. I know there's a lot of videos out there, some are updated, some are not. I'm just going to show you the cheapest version, how to get it. And I know some people can't do the lifestyle ones because of whatever their situation, so they rather do a background. So this video is going to be for you, and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, if you see here, I have my background. It's a little bit shorter than arm's length from me. This is actually some cloth. The bottom, oh, I can't really look at the bottom. The bottom is just plain wall. It's probably, it's 2 feet. 2 feet, right? 2 feet, 2 yards. 2 feet. It's 2 yards long this way. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some simple things. Let me move a little bit closer, we don't want no shadows. And you can see here, when you get a background, you want to make sure you don't get nothing like all decorative. Like if it's a decorative background, you don't want to wear anything decorative. Like basically I just have a tank top on and just my skin, so it looks more pleasing to the eyes because it's very busy. I think I got this. You can get cloth fabric backgrounds or backdrops for maybe about like $2.99 to $6 to $7 to $10 at Walmart. You can go on Wish and you can do all that stuff. I haven't did it yet, but if I do, I'll do a haul for you guys. Pretty much the background, it sits a little bit blurry. They're really tiny backgrounds. And what you want to get for your background too, if you want to stay away from shadows, as you can see here, the closer I get, I don't know, the more shadowy it is. There you go, see the shadow? Farther away, you can have less shadow. You can get one of these. You can get them at Walmart, the Home Depot store. This is the small one. I don't know what size this one is. Does it say what size? No, it doesn't say what size. This one's going to be the smallest one that they, well, not small, maybe like, yeah, probably the smallest one. So it's this small. It's big as, oh my gosh, calm down. Big as my hand. And you put a daylight in here. I don't have the daylight light bulb, and it comes with a clamp. You can clamp these. You can get these for like $2 all the way to like $10, I think. I do have the big ones. They're actually put away. They're like this huge. Really good. I used to use that before I had my ring light. You can basically just put this on the bottom floor and just put it here so you can get that whole ombre effect. Or you see like Nikki tutorials, all the big YouTubers out there, a lot of money, you know what I mean? Good for them. Basically here is just the main color, and then right here is all light, or in the middle is all light. It's because they do use a light, or they probably just have like, I don't know, an ombre backdrop, right? But this is gonna be cheaper if you're just starting out. You can get like white ones as well. I have like a white one, and I have a really thick white one. This one, I don't know what the hell this is. I got this like at Walmart. It's really thick. It has like more like a canvas kind of type. I got this one so if I have like a colored background like this and I want to take it off, I can just put that on there and it will cancel out this, and I can put like one of these on there so you can't see all that. You know what I mean? Basically I'm just layering on there. They actually have a light pink one, and again 2 yards. These basic colors, they go for like $2 to $3 a yard. Not pink. They have this one right here, but it's kind of just, the print is a little bit, not the, is it the print? I don't know if it's called the print, but there's like some fading in some of the print, so that looks kind of cute, right? I have a red one, and I took photos of her using the red, and I will insert the pictures. Really nice. I have a green one, which you can do all kinds of stuff with the green. Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my luxury closet, as you guys can see, and we will do a tour in a little bit of the closet. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I got this one for my daughter. And this one is an emoji smiley face. This one's really short. Super, super short. A yellow one. And a purple one. And you can actually use sheets. You just want to use something that's thick enough where it's going to cover your like wall or whatever. Then I do have a black one. And I actually use this black one in my C-section video. I'm going to link it down below. And yeah, pretty much I use this black one. It's wrinkly, but like I said, it's just fabric. You can iron it, you can steam it, you can do whatever you want with it, and it's going to be a lot cheaper. So I have tacks, like literally those little clear tacks, just basically just on the wall. That's what it looks like, literally. And just make sure it's a little bit far away from you so you don't get the shadow. You pretty much look how different it makes your background look. It makes your videos more interesting. I just need to use them more. And I do have a ring light, as you can see here. Just kidding. No, but I do have a ring light, and I'm using my old, literally my old video camera. Usually I just go on my iPhone and just do my filming because it's a lot easier. I'm gonna try a green because I want to use it for another video. So let's just use a green. Okay guys, so that's the green one. I didn't even like pin this side so it can be more like, how do you say, seamless. Just to show you really quick, you want to make sure you get the 4 corners, and you want to get one bottom here and one up there to make it really nice and seamless. As you can see here, it's not really nice and seamless, but you guys get the picture. You can use this for like the green screens and all kinds of stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, just go to the fabric store. I'm not going to link anything down below because you guys don't need all that. Go to the fabric store, get like 10 bucks, $5, whatever you want. Just get one fabric that you need. If you want white, get white. Make sure it's a lot thick material for the white. Just look at it, put it by the wall, take a picture, see how that looks. Whew, there's a lot of little fraying going on, a little dust, but pretty much, you guys, it's easy and it's simple. You guys can use them 2 yards. You can take pictures on there. Just flip it the other way and just take a really cool photo. You know what I mean? Just, hey, do a lookbook or something. Pretty much. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.